Hey guys, me Blaine, I'm back again, and today I have something that's going to help try to protect the interior of my car. So what I have from EV Base, they sent me this, well, I'm going to say it's a complete full set. It is actually 4 different protection sets that you can get for the interior of your car that covers the carpet areas. Okay, so on the sidewalls with the new Model Y Juniper, which is what I have, the 2026 model, they've added a little bit more carpet on the sides and down by your feet and the trunk and all that stuff. And the problem with that is, well, I don't want to say it's the problem. One is it helps with sound, and it's going to help dampen some of the outside sound and stuff in your car, and just overall gives it a little bit nicer appearance. However, let's say you have dogs, or you live where there's a lot of snow, mud, dirt, things like that. You're constantly going to be getting their hair and their mud and stuff up onto the carpets, and it's going to be a little bit of a pain to clean. So let's just take a look and see what I got. So before I break into these kits and get started on installing them, let me show you one here. So really, it's a good, strong, plastic, kind of rubbery feel material. All they have on the back is going to be some Velcro pieces here that's going to help stick to the carpet, and otherwise it just kind of fits in there. There's no tools. You're going to slide them underneath some of the rubber seals and different things like that that we're be using to install these with. But I mean, pretty much what's good about these things is anything gets on it, you can just wipe it off, you can clean it, you can take them off and remove them. Let's say all of a sudden you don't want them in there anymore. Maybe you're getting ready to sell your car and you want that carpet look again. Well, you can take these things off, remove them, and then you're right back to the original factory with the carpet there. But anyways, we're going to put these things on, and I think they're going to help protect your car, especially say you're an Uber driver, you're a Lyft driver, or anything like that, and you're getting people in and out of your vehicle, and you don't want them kicking your sides and kicking your seals and all that stuff, and ruining the carpet that you haven't. What if somebody spills something in there? Maybe a kid drops some milk or something like that, and it gets onto the sidewall there, and the carpet starts getting that sour smell or anything like that. Well, anyways, if you had something like this in there, at least you'd be able to wipe it off and clean it a little bit easier. Okay, so really, like I said, I got 4 different sets here. Okay, the first set is going to be the center console and the side rail set underneath the seat there. That's going to be the first set. The second set is going to be the rear trunk sidewall sets there on the inside the trunk area there. The carpet is going to cover all that. The third set is going to be the front and rear door seal set. It'll go all the way down along there. And then lastly is going to be the under the front seat in the back there behind them. It's going to help protect all that area down there for when your passengers are sitting in the back and their feet's kicking up underneath there. It'll help protect that as well. So anyways, let's get started on installing this. All right, so really, first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to come in here, I'm going to move my seat back, and I'm going to take out my floor mat here so I can get in here a little bit better and cover up my carpet here. All right, so the first one went pretty easy on this side, on the driver's side. It just sits right here, goes right underneath your rubber or your seal that's already there. And the plastic, I mean the Velcro pieces on it actually fit pretty good. I mean, it sticks really hard, but as you can see, it's all the way from the floor all the way to the top, right through there. I do have a wire coming out for my smelly thing, which I'm going to mount back onto here, right here. But anyways, got this right here going all the way back, and that's the first 2 pieces right here. So I'll move on. Okay, so the next piece I have is going to cover up this right here, and underneath this rear console part right here. It'll come all the way across right here. So let me get that piece installed. It's going to go around the USB ports right here underneath, and we'll go ahead and get it installed now. All right, I got this one installed. Just gets pushed up in there. You just got to form fit it in there, and looks pretty good. All right, next piece I gotta do is I gotta do this piece right here, along here, and then do this front piece right here. Easiest way to do it is lay your seats down all the way and take out your floor mat. All right, got it installed. Fits on there pretty good. Kind of blends in with the other piece down below right here. So now everything on my sidewalls here is protected. Moving on. All right, so the next piece I'm going to do is going to be the sidewall back here, all the way along the rear trunk area here. I'm just going to lean my seats up. I'm going to take off both of these floor mats right here, get both of these taken up so I can get down in there a little bit easier, because it's going to go right below all that right there. So let's go ahead and get that going. Okay, now that I took everything out right here, I'm going to bring this over, take out my trays out of there, get them out of the way. I want to bring this and line it up. I will say one thing. You see this little groove right here? See that groove? This groove lines up right here with this hump right here. So that's where we're going to line it up first and then push it in from there. Back here, you're going to put it underneath your rubber mat. Or your seals, I mean. Your door seal. Got this one installed. Do the other side now. Doing the driver's side here, it's got the same little groove right here. Then I'm going to put this piece right here in there, and we'll set it in there. And as you can see right here, I can still get to my AC adapter right there. Cigarette lighter. Still works. It's installed. Finished back here. And here's what it looks like installed with the mats back in. And you can see it's going to help protect all this area, especially if you put any dogs back here, any animals or anything, or any lumber or anything. It's going to help protect all that carpet, keep it looking new until the next time you go to remove it. And the stuff's really easy. You can take it off anytime if you don't want it on there. So the next one I want to do is I'm going to start installing the covers right here. It's going to take care of this part down through the front, and then take care of the part here in the back and get that area right there. Okay, so I started off with the front one here on the driver's side, and really it just fits right up in there. You can see it covers all the way to the back. Easiest way for me to do it is I just pulled this seal off right here, the door seal, sat it on there, and then you can see it just goes right on top of it. Fits on there pretty good. Put the floor mat back in here, and this thing will give it a nice finished look all the way from there to there. Protection all the way around. And there it is with the floor mat back in there. See, it's protected all the way up around. You got just a little bit of carpet up there still, but that's no big deal. And it's protected all the way down through there. I like it. Moving on. Next piece I'm going to do is the back. I'm going to go ahead and remove my back floor mat, and then next one will continue right here and go up here. Let's do it. So I got this one installed, and you can see right here it kind of lines up with the front one all the way through and around, and then comes right up through here. Comes right up through here, and it blends in right up here with the back one that you put in the back already. So there you go. Helps protect that all the way. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take care of the back. Once again, passenger side is going to go from here all the way down and stop about right up in there, and let's do it. All right, got this one installed. Looks real good. It's really going to help protect it when people get in the back here. I don't have to worry about anything getting on this carpet right here. It's going to be really easy just to wipe it clean and be done with it. All right, my next piece is going to be to continue from right here where this back piece ended, right there to my fingers, all the way through and up through here. Let's get this one installed. All right, got this one installed all the way up through there. Looks good. Fits pretty good. Put the floor mat back in, and this one will be done. Next thing I do is this back behind the seats right here. That's all I got left. So my last kit is going to help protect all these rails right here on your car. All that carpet is going to go around that, come back around, come around. They do have a kit that you can help protect your vents right there, but I already have those covers on there right there. But they do have, they got a 5-piece and a 9-piece set. I've only got the 5-piece set, but anyways, I'm going to cover this up. I'm going to go through here. I'm going to cover all the way around here and over there. So I'm going to go ahead and get started putting them in, and show you what it looks like when I'm done. All right, just wanted to show you before I start moving my seats around. Got the driver's side one all the way down through here. Fits in really good. And then this is the center one right here. Goes around, covers right there. And only thing I will say is make sure that you put it underneath the piece right here. This piece that you already put on there just goes right there underneath it and fits in good. And when we put our floor mats in, everything's going to be sealed up. Now I probably should have vacuumed before I did this today, but anyways, just want to get these things installed. Moving on. So I got the front one installed here on the driver's side, and all it is, that one little piece gets put right in there. But what I like, and I still have my cable right there, and I had my mount for my gun right there, so that's why I got my drill out. But anyways, I like how everything matches up. Each piece, each set blends in together. All right, got the front here done up here on the passenger side. Got the little side piece right there put in there, and you see how everything kind of fits in good, especially when you got that full coverage of your floor mats right there. But it looks good. Everything is covered now. Now let me just do the back. All right, got the back piece installed right here, all the way up to the front. All I gotta do now is put in my floor mat. Take a look at it. And there you go. Now you have it. Now you got full coverage all the way around. No carpet anywhere when people are sitting back here in the back. I mean, this is nice. Even up under there, it's all protected. Somebody spills something or whatever, it's gonna be easy for me to clean right up. I like it. Well, there you go, guys. Once again, this kit is from EV Base. There's 4 different kits that you can get to cover your entire inside of your car, all the carpet and everything. I went through all 4 pieces there, all 4 kits. Some of them had 4 pieces, some of them had 8, some 9 pieces, whatever. But take your time. I mean, if you're just doing one kit at a time, but really what I noticed is that all the kits complement each other. The way the front matches the back, and then they overlap each other. I mean, they're designed to be one full kit for the whole car, and everything works together, especially if you get yourself some 3M floor mats like what I got, and you put those over top, you're protected. I mean, these things are nice. If there's something you're interested in, the link is down below. I have all 4 kits in there in my link down below. Click them. You can go straight to their website, check them out, and make that purchase if you want. Use my discount code for a discount too. Don't forget about that. Once again, they're from EV Base. If you haven't done so already, give me a like on this video. Subscribe to my channel for more stuff. And guys, be safe out there. Have fun and keep driving. Peace. See ya.